Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to convert an MP4 video to MOV using VLC. First, look at the top menu and click Media. Then click Convert or Save. A new window opens. Next, click the Add button. This is where you choose the MP4 video you want to convert. Find your MP4 file. Click it once. Then click Open. You'll now see the file listed in the window. Next, look at the bottom and click Convert or Save. Another window appears. Now let's choose the output format. Under Profile, click the drop-down menu. Select Video-H.264 plus MP3 in MP4. Yes, even though it says MP4, we'll change the file type manually. Now look at Destination. Click Browse. Choose where you want to save the new file. In the file name box, type a name for your video. Important part here. At the end of the name, type .mov. Then click Save. Now click Start. VLC begins converting the video. You'll see the progress bar move like a normal video playing. When it finishes, the conversion is complete. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.